Today I want to share a small piece of equipment our studio just got. This is it, the ACW 88 manual 3-dimensional wrapping machine. To be honest, the first time I used it to wrap products, I was a bit amazed. Look at this seal, it's really smooth, nothing like hand wrapping. It uses an aluminum plate heater, not a heat gun, so the results are indeed different. It also comes with a built-in film cutting unit, which can handle film up to 40 centimeters wide. For products of different sizes, you just cut the film yourself, no need to change film rolls often, very convenient. The key point is the price is very friendly, just a few thousand yuan. The whole machine weighs only 21 kilograms. You can put it on a desk and use it, it doesn't take up much space. We usually wrap tea and small gift boxes, and it has improved our efficiency a lot. If you do small batch products or have a small studio of your own, you should really consider this machine.